In this video, I will show you how you can speed up and optimize your Samsung tablet. Now to do that, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on Battery. Now if power saving has been enabled on your tablet, just turn it off. Because if the power saving is enabled, it will limit the performance of the CPU. Now just go back and tap on Background Usage Limits. Now just tap on Sleeping Apps, then tap on the plus icon over here. Now from this list, just select the apps which you don't want to run in the background. After you select the apps which you don't want to run in the background, then tap on Add. After you do that, then on your main settings page, just scroll down and tap on About Tablet. From here, just tap on Software Information, then tap on the build number a few times until you enable developer options. Now it might ask you to enter the PIN or the password of your lock screen, but after you do that, you will enable developer options on your tablet. Now after that, just scroll down even more in the main settings page and you will find the option for developer options. Now just tap on it, and the developer option settings, if you scroll down, you will find the option for running services. Now just tap on it. Now sometimes when you close an app on your tablet, even if you remove it from the recent app section, it will still run in the background. Now just select the app which you don't want to run in the background and select Stop. And after you do that, you will stop the app completely from running in the background. Now just do that for all the apps available in this list. After you do that, then on your tablet, just go to Device Care, and over here just tap on Storage. Now just check the storage of your tablet. Now if the storage of your tablet is full, then just delete some data from your tablet to free up some space. Because if there is no space on your tablet will slow down and you will face performance issues. Now just tap on Duplicated Files, and from here, if you find any duplicated files available, just select the duplicated file and tap on Delete. After that, just go back and tap on Large Files, and from here, just check all the large files on your tablet and delete any file which you no longer need. Then go back, then tap on Trash, and if there is any deleted data available, just remove it from here. And after that, just go to your home screen and look for any apps which you no longer need. Just select the apps and delete them. And after that, just check if you have enough storage or not. Now if you want to free up storage even more, just back up all the photos and videos from your tablet to any external drive or to the cloud, then delete the photos and videos from your tablet. Now after you free up space on your tablet, then just go back and tap on Memory. From here, just tap on Clean Now. After you do that, then just tap on RAM Plus. Now, if the RAM Plus feature has been enabled on your tablet, just turn it off. Then select Restart. And as you can see, this is how you can speed up and optimize your Samsung tablet. Just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.